This is the Simmons 8860 head casting for the old style 900 series Simmons yard hydrant. A couple things about it. Where it attaches, it of course is the female thread. It's kind of hard to see, but it is in there. And then same as the spout here, which has also got that female thread. And here where it'll attach to the piping is hexed. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of the head casting. We'll measure the outside diameter of this hexed portion here. See, it measures right at about 2 inches. And we can get an inside diameter as well. That measures right at about 1.25 inches. Then we'll do an outer and an inner diameter of the spout, which measures right at about, the outside diameter measures right below 1.5 inches. And the inside diameter of right about 3/4 inch. And we can also measure, get a total height. So from this hex portion to the top here, you see that one measures right below 6 inches. Yeah, so once again, this is the Simmons 8860 head casting.